Hi, I'm Nemanja from Dynamic Mockups. Now you can generate images of MockAnything AI templates using API. To do that, first you need to add print area that you'll see in your MockAnything AI templates. When you add print area, you can select the fit mode of your artwork. For example, I select the contain, and then you can position your print area wherever you like. So this is just fine for me. Okay. And now that you have enabled print area, your MockAnything AI templates will be available on the Get Mockups API. You can fetch them there. You can call Render Mockup API. You can call Batch Render Mockup API, and everything will work just fine. I'm going to show you how you can generate this one from the API, and you can click this Quick Start button here, and you'll see API integration section here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to actually copy this mockup UID that I see here. Okay, amazing. This is Postman. I'm going to paste that mockup UID here. So if you're already using our API, this request here for the render mockup API will be familiar. And I'm going to use this smart object here. Okay, this is actually the smart object of the added print area that we just added. Okay, and now I'm going to click send. Perfect, the image is generated, and let's see how it looks. Amazing. That's it. Now you can easily generate MockAnything AI templates through the API. There's no anything to do with custom code to get MockAnything templates via API. Once you add the print area, you will see your templates showing in Get Mockups API. You can easily generate images on them using Render Mockup API or Batch Render Mockups API, and basically that's it. Now go create some MockAnything AI templates, add print area, and generate images through the API, and let me know what you think.